同学们好. This is Xu Lao Shi here to talk about paper 2. What does paper 2 test? Basically, you're given many scenarios that's very realistic, and you're supposed to write in certain formats to a certain audience using appropriate grammar and vocabulary. For example, you are the student council leader, and at school, you want to promote a dance. So in this question, you have to write a dance poster, a dance promotion poster to high school students. So you have to use the right vocabulary and grammar to do that. It will this exam will take 1 hour, and it's worth 25% of your IB grade. There are two sections, Section A and Section B. Section A, you have to write a minimum of 60 Chinese characters in your answer, and it's graded according to these criteria. Section B, you have to write a minimum of 120 Chinese characters, graded according to these criteria. If you want to know exactly what the criteria are, you've already been doing it in your course. Okay, so the Section B is the extended writing, and basically Section A is the short writing. Okay. The rubric is with the documents I've sent along with this video. Here, Section A, text types, please memorize how to read these and the meaning. Okay. I have put a symbol beside the ones that occur the most or most frequently. So if you don't have time to really study, you should at least concentrate on these few. Okay, posters, message list, emails, and advertisements. These show up quite often. Section B has different text types. Okay, please once again memorize how to read these. Here's a sample paper 2. The first page, please write your IB number before you do anything in the space provided. Please read the information carefully, the instructions carefully. Second page and third page. Second page is blank. Third page just tells you the version of the test. There's two versions, simplified and traditional. You would choose the one that you usually write in, okay? Section A, this is how the actual question paper looks. On the top, there's a title, Section A, and the instructions, they're all in Chinese. So please memorize the key words, okay, that I've shown you, and then you will know what they're asking. So it says here, choose one out of the two questions. Okay, they're going to give you two questions. This is question 1. Down here, this is the content you must have in your writing. Please read these carefully. This is the second question that you can choose in Section A. Please write your answers in the space provided. Okay, there's spaces provided here, these lines. Section B. They're going to give you 3 questions here, and you just choose one, only one, okay? And write your answers here. When you're reading the questions in Chinese, here are some useful question words that may show up. Please memorize these, okay, so you know what they're asking. Wish you luck, and you've worked hard, and thank you for listening. 谢谢，再见。